Welcome to my newest listing in the exclusive guard-gated community of Greer Ranch. This amazing home offers 4,295 square feet, 6 bedrooms with 1 on the main floor, an office and 5 baths. With custom finishes throughout, an impeccable curb appeal, and panoramic breathtaking views, this home will not disappoint. Come on in and let's check it out. Greer Ranch offers its residents a community pool, spa, clubhouse, hiking trails, parks, barbecues, and much more. I'm a tall gal with Century 21 affiliated. Please feel free to reach out to me for more information or a private showing.